magic? How many of you like magic? All of you like? Oh, wow. Okay, how will that be good if we make a magic game? A game in which there will be a magic.
Ooh.
Okay, excited?
That is good.
Okay, let's see. Let's have a look of it. Okay, let's have a look of it.
Okay.
Okay.
C-O-D-E.
So I am going to run the game. Okay. You can see a player. He's a she is a magician. Okay, she's a magician, and there is a cat. Do you know that this magician is going to what to do? This magician will convert this cat to a penguin. Okay, is it interesting?
Okay.
Let's see how. Okay, so we have a 4 controls as I told you earlier. We have a 4 direction: north,
North, south,
east,
east,
and west.
west.
Okay, we can say it like that: up, down, right, left. Okay, got it? So we have a 4 controls. If I want to move this magician upward now, I will just click on this. Are you able to see my this button where my finger is, cursor is?
Yes.
Or you can use the keyboard up arrow. Okay, page up arrow. Okay, so they go see this magician is going upward now, and when I will click on this down arrow, the magician down, and when I will click on this right, okay, right arrow, see right side arrow now, then magician will go right, and if I just click on this left, it will go left. So I need to reach here first, then I will what do? I will first go upwards. Now I'm going towards the cat. Let's see what's happened. Ooh, what's happened? What's happened? There was some kind of sound. Wow, see, magic has happened. The cat has converted to what? Penguin.
Penguin.
Okay. Let's repeat this magic. Okay. Now this magician will do what? You know that it will convert again. Yeah, it will convert the penguin again to what? Cat. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, wow. See. Can you see that? Yeah. So all of you observe that what happened?
Yes.
Whenever this magician touches the cat, it converted to what? Penguin. And whenever this magician touches the penguin, it converted to cat. So this magician is so good. All of you like to do this kind of magic?
Yes.
Okay. So today you will be able to do this kind of magic, okay, in the game. So let's have a look of it. But before that, before doing this, okay, we need to understand some simple concept, okay, and that is a concept of, you know, that concept of event and action. Oh, how many have you heard the word event and action? Yeah, how many of you heard the word event and action?
Action.
Action. Okay. And how many of you heard the word event? Okay, no issues. I'm explaining all of you. Okay. Just see. Just tell me what happens when you are hungry. When you are very hungry. What do? You eat some food? All of you do that? When you are hungry. When you are hungry. When you are hungry, what do? You eat some food?
Yes.
So do you know what is this? Being a hungry. Hungry is a event. It's a thing which happens, and after that, what do? As a result, when you are hungry, so as a result, what do? You eat some food. Okay?
Yes.
So eating a food is what? Action. And having hungry is an event. Okay. Let's understand with another example. Like, what you do when you feel some hot? You switch on the fan. All of you.
I have a fan.
Okay. How many of you just only those will raise the hand? Those who know how to switch on the fan. All of you know how to switch on the fan?
Yes.
Okay,
buttons.
very good. So when you feel hot, okay, there's a summer where where you feel hot, what do? Either you switch on fan or AC or some cooling things. So what
Yeah,
is
I use a fan.
okay? So just observe, just think about it like that. What happens? Like when we press on the switch, when we press on the switch. So when we press on the switch, this is what? Event. We pressing a switch. Pressing a switch is event. Okay. And what is the action? The fan starts rotating. Fan starts rotating now, and we feel cool. So event is what?
Yeah.
Switching on the switch.
Fan.
And action is what? Rotating of what?
Rotating of the
Fan. Very good. Okay. Now we have another example. All of you go outside your home, okay, sometimes. So have you observed that when
Yeah.
there is a red signal on traffic light, what we do? We stop our car? All of you? Yep. Your father or
Stop.
mother will, what did they do? They just stop the car now when there is a red signal
Yeah.
on traffic light?
Stop. Yeah, stop.
Okay. Not, yeah.
And when
Just
there's green,
We
and-
move on. We move on. When there is a green, we move on. And when there is a red, we stop. Okay?
yeah. And when there's a yellow,
we just ignite our car, or we just started shutting down it. Okay, so everyone just can you all of you see the car? All of you guys see the
Yes.
car on the screen? Okay, so all of you just
Yeah.
observe what is happening. See, the car is coming, it's moving, and the signal is green. It's moving, and now it stops. It stops when the light is what? When the signal was red. Okay, everyone just observe it once more. Okay, everyone just see it on the screen. See, red light and the car stops. Red light and car stops. And again the green light and
Yep.
car starts moving. Okay. So how we can relate that event and action here? Anyone? Anyone want to tell? Anyone want to explain? Okay, Riddhi will explain. Everyone will listen it. Okay, Riddhi.
event means when if I said I want to press the signal, so I
Okay.
press it. So
Okay.
event means that, and action. If you when there's a summer, the and I am feeling hot, then we can take the fan and on it. When
And
we
that fan start
when we
rotating.
yeah, it start rotating,
So
and then it is called as action.
very good,
And-
Riddhi. You tried well. Very good. Okay, let me explain you once more. So event is something, an action. Okay, it is also kind of action that happens, and as a result, what happens is now that is called action. Like when we switch, so when we switch on our that fan switch, that was an event. And action was rotating of a fan. Fan starts rotating. So similarly, when there is a green signal, the green signal is what? Is an event, and action is what? Car starts moving, and when there is a red signal, car stops. Okay,
So
let's
yeah,
synchronize our sentence with the figure. You can see that there is a green signal, car starts moving, and when there is a red signal, car stops. So event is red signal and action is car stops. Event is a green signal and action is what? Car start moving. So all of you got the point. What is event and action?
yes,
Is there anyone who has any confusing line? What is event and action? Janya? Yeah, did you understand what is event and action?
yes,
Okay. Ayans, is it clear? What is event and action?
yes,
Kashvi, is it clear?
yes.
Okay, let's understand it with another example. All of you know what is this? What is it?
ક્યાંથી સાંભળે બીજું એક્ઝામ્પલ આપે છે.
What is it?
Balloon.
Balloon. Very good. Okay.
Balloon.
Okay, and what is this one? It is a needle. Okay.
Needle.
Okay. So if you want to do this exercise or activity now, always do with your parents. Okay. So let's see. So all of you just tell me what will happen when I just collide both of them, like this needle, okay, and this balloon. What will happen when they will collide? What will
The
happen?
balloon will break.
Balloon will burst
The
out.
balloon will burst. The balloon will pop. The balloon
Where-
will pop. Pop.
Yeah.
Because it's sharp. Sharp.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's understand this example also and do it by a practical way. Okay. So what will be the event? Event will be collision of the balloon and needle, and action will be what? The bursting of balloon. Because when we collide the needle and balloon, this is an event, and as a result, balloon will burst, and that will be what? Action. Is it clear? So let's see example whether this happens or not. Okay, I'm going to do that 1, 2, and 3. Wow. So it happens now. So as what we have observed here,
Yeah.
the event was what? Striking of balloon and a needle. And action was bursting of a balloon. I think
Bursting
now
of the balloon.
everyone, yeah, I think now everyone is,
Balloon, not balloon.
balloon. Okay. So now I think everyone is now clear what is event and action. Okay. Okay. Now all of you just tell me, how many of you see cartoon on your mobile phone? How many of you do like that? Or some apps or some YouTube videos, anything? No, all of you are good boys. Okay, very good. Okay, when you need to call someone, what we do on the phone, we just click on the call button and call starts going. First, we select the contact and we just click on the call button and call starts going now. So I'm just trying to explain you that event in action is everywhere in real life and in coding. Like in your smartphone, have you just thought about how this works? Like when we click on the any app that starts app starts, app will launch, or like when we click on the any video link, video starts playing. Okay, that happens. Like I just when as you can see in the last slide, I click on a link and the game was started. So how was that happening? Okay, that was happening with the help of coding, and the coding was what, that event and action. Like I'm if clicking somewhere now, the clicking is my what? Event, and action is what is opening. What is opening is action. Okay.
Action.
Okay, so let's say with our game. Okay.
Yep.
Just a minute.
Ooh. Basketball. Ooh. Ooh, it's cool. Ooh, I love that. Nope. Nice. Oh.
Okay, now here we will code. Okay, here we will do our coding. Fine. So in a game, as I told you, today we will make what? A magic game. Okay, so what should be the story of the game? There is every game has a story. Who will tell me? Okay, that I will tell you. The story of the game is that there will be one magician. Okay.
Magician.
There will be one cat.
What?
Okay, and the third character will be what? Penguin. Okay, we have a 3 character. One is magician, another was what? Cat, and the third character was what? Third character was
a penguin.
Penguin. Very good. Very good. We have a 3 character. So
Penguin.
okay, we have a 3 character. That is one thing. And what was the thing? See, whenever we play some game, we have some kind of background. Okay, we have kind of some stage. Like when you see magic, you must have seen some on the stage or on the videos somewhere. There is always some kind of a stage or background. Okay, so in for making any game, first we what do? First we set up the scenes. So I'm setting up background. Okay, you can change your background to anything, like if you want something like this. Can you see the background? Well, if you can see the background, okay. So
Yes.
if you want to change the background, you can change it like this. Okay, like this. See, background has changed. Okay, so first what we are doing, first we are setting up the background of the game. Okay, very good.
Yep.
Now, so all of you just tell me, what will happen when we click on this button? What was happening in the game when we're clicking the upside button? What was happening?
Going up.
Yeah, what was happening?
It was going up.
Oh, yeah, it was going up. Who was going up? The magician was going up. Yeah.
The magician.
Wow.
Yeah.
This magician was going upside.
Up.
Okay. See, this is here we have a magician, and this magician will go upward when we click on what? Upside button. Okay. But before that, we need to launch the magician. We need to show the magician. So what we will do? We will click on the show. Okay. We will just code it here, and we will change it from what? Cat to magician. Now you can see the magician on the screen. All of you can see the magician? All of you can see the magician? Okay. See,
Yes.
when I'm clicking on upside, magician is going upwards, moving upward. When I was clicking on the magician, see, I'm clicking on this upside button. Okay, just see here. Just focus here. All of you can see my cursor, or I should use some doodling?
Yes.
Okay, let me do it. All of you can see this button now. See this button.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I'm clicking this button, what is happening? Magician is going upward. Okay. So this is what? This is here we are understanding about event and action. See, what was the event? I'm clicking on this button, and action is what? This magician is going upward. Okay, ready? Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. Mayuka, Kashvi, what is happening when we clicking on the upside button? What is happening? The magician is going upwards now, Mayuka?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm coming in 1 minute, okay?
What happened, Ayansh?
I'm coming in 1 minute.
Okay, no issue. So you can see that when we are clicking on the upside button, the magician should go upward. That's what we have coded here. So event is what? Clicking on the upside button, and action is what? This magician should go upward. Okay. In the same way, what we will do when we click on that down button. Well, if you can see this, let me make it down and this is here. When we are clicking down button, see this, there's a down button now, downside arrow. Riddhi, can you see it? This is the down side arrow. So what should happen now? What should happen now? The magician should go down. Okay. Is it okay? Magician should go downwards. Okay. So I should change this arrow to which one? First, second, third, or fourth. Okay. Riddhi will tell which option. First, second, or third. For going downward. Which option?
Down, down, down,
Riddhi,
down, down, down.
Okay, down arrow. Very good. So this one, you can see the outlining of the arrow. This one, or this one, or this one.
Down.
This one?
Third one.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, now I will ask to Kashvi. Kashvi, we need to what? We also want this magician to go towards right hand, okay? Towards your right hand side, okay? So what we will click here, we will select this one or this one. First one or second one? Just tell me, first one or second one? For moving right, Kashvi.
Second one.
Very good.
Second one.
Fantastic. Now, Mayuka will tell us. Okay, Mayuka. Hello, Mayuka. Are you able to hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, Mayuka.
Yes.
Just see on the screen. This magician should go towards right direction. Okay, when we click on what? Right arrow.
Right.
So we should choose which option. This one, the third option or the second option? Second option or third option? Just tell me. This one?
Right.
Third. Very good. All of you are so intelligent. Wow. Okay. So this will let the magician go rightward, right in right direction. Okay. Now it's turn. Now who will tell me which direction is left? Just raise your hand. Who will tell me which direction is left? We have done up, we have done down, we have done right, and what direction is left? Okay, Riddhi will tell us. Okay, Riddhi, tell. Yes, anyone? Which direction is left? We have done up, down, right, and which direction is left?
West.
Okay, very good.
West.
West, or we can say left. Very good. So I should just choose the last option now, that this one, left. Okay. I'm just making this code downward so that we have a proper space for doing what we are doing now. Okay. Just a minute, there is some space issues. Okay. So now Ayans will tell us. Okay, Ayans, just tell me. We should move this magician in which direction for this arrow? Left arrow. In which direction? Left or up?
Sir is asking you.
What?
Ayansh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Just see. You can see this this block now. There is a
Yes.
left side arrow now.
Left.
So when we
Yes.
click, okay, Ayan, please sit at one place. You are rotating. So Ayans, when we click on the left arrow, this magician should move towards left side. Is it okay?
Left.
Very good. So left arrow is the last one, no? Or the second
Yes.
last one? Last one or second last one? Just tell me which one. If you can see on the screen, you can tell me last one or second last one. See, second last one is going down.
Last one.
Very good. So we have done 4 things now. Okay, what we have coded our magic for our game for magician to move in different directions. Let's see whether we have done it or not. Okay, so I'm just resetting it. Okay. Okay. So now I'm clicking on. See, you can see when I'm clicking on the right arrow, magician is going right direction. Okay.
Yes.
One more thing, today's session will be maybe a bit longer. So I'm just telling to all the parents that please rejoin after just breaking 10 minutes. When the session gets over, just take a break of 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay.
Yep.
And after this, just rejoin. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So as you can see, when I clicking on this magician, now I will just click on this left arrow. Okay. Oh, sorry, right arrow. So magician is moving rightward. Okay. Okay. Now
Yes.
what on which arrow I should click to move this magician upward direction?
Up arrow.
Up arrow. The third one or fourth one? Third one or fourth one? You can say first, second, third, or fourth. Third or fourth? You can see on my screen. First, second, third, and fourth. Which one? Third. Very good.
Third.
Okay. And
Third.
down the fourth arrow. Okay. Very
Yep.
good. So anyone have any confusion up till now? What we have done up till now? Anyone just tell me? Who wants to tell me what we have done up till now? Ayans, why are you rotating your mouth? Okay. Trace again and again. Skip on one, please. See, we have done 4 things. Okay. What we have coded our magician to move right, we have coded our magician to move up, we have coded our magician to go down, and we have coded our magician to move right and left. Okay. So these 4 things we have done up till now, and we have set it our what background also, and we have showed our magicians. Now, if I want to say, I want that magician should say something. Okay, when it's come, it say yes, I'm here or something like that. Okay, so what we will do? We have another block for that. You know that we have another block for that. And see where is it? I am searching for it. I'm searching for it. Did anyone get it? Is it this? Is it like this? See, if I just change it to the magician, what will happen? It's saying, magician is saying, hi there. Okay, let's see. If I want to say it, hi everyone. Okay, this magician will say, hi everyone. It will come, okay? See, you can say, it's saying, hi everyone. Okay, so you can use these blocks also. Okay, if you want. So now we have magician, and what next we should have? We should have one cat. We should have one cat now. See, magician
Yes.
do magics, okay? But for doing magic, it wants something now on which it should do magic. So as you've seen in starting, magician was doing magic on whom? The cat. Is it okay? So we should have a cat also. So from where the cat will come? See, show cat. You can see the cat. So I'm just showing it. Okay. Here we have a cat. Okay. And I want it also to say something. So I will just make another block for it. Okay. And we will just change it for cat. And cat will also say hi everyone or something like, okay, have a nice day. What should you? Woo-hoo? Something like yeah. Let's say buttons. Okay. And another is by clicking on the keyboards. Okay. So what will happen if I just click on this button, the first button? Who will tell me? Mayuka, you will tell me what will happen, in which direction this magician should go when I just click on the first button. Mayuka, just tell me.
Left.
Left, very good. Okay, now Ayans, just tell me what should happen, in which direction this that magician should go when I just click on the third button, first, second, the third one.
It will go up.
Very good. So all of you know that. Fine. So now I'm going to code it little bit more. See, what is the magic? Magic happens when the magician will touch what? Whom? Okay, let us suppose this is my magic stick. All of you, look at me. All of you, look at me. Let us suppose this is my magic stick. All magicians have one magic stick with them now. Yeah, is it okay? All magicians have one magic stick with them. Is it right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So what should happen when I just let this magic stick, okay, fall on the cat? The cat should convert it to whom? Penguin.
Penguin.
So we need to introduce penguin also in the game. Okay. So we are going to do coding for that. Okay. See, you can say, are you able to see this block? Well, if you can see this block, when cat and penguin. Well, if you can see this block. Okay, I'm just using this block.
Yes.
And I'm removing all those blocks we have already coded to the downwards. Okay. So we can just focus on what we have doing now, right now. Okay. So just give me a minute. Okay. See. Now what we want whenever there's a cat and the magician. Okay. Let's see like this is cat. Well, what this block is saying us? This block is saying, so you can see the two of them are just striking to each other, just colliding to each other. Can you see this diagram? These are two persons who are colliding with each other. Well, if you can see this diagram, okay, it's like that. It's like that, no? Whenever a magician,
Yes.
let us suppose this is our magician, okay, and when this magician just click on the this is our cat, okay. See, this is a cat. This is a cat. When this magician just touches this cat, and what happens? This cat disappears. And who will come? Penguin.
Penguin.
Okay. So first, what should happen?
Penguin.
This magician or this magic stick should collide or collide with whom? With the cat. Okay, meow meow, cat. So
With the
describe.
cat.
Okay, so you can see here we have a magician and here we have what? Cat. So what will happen when this magician will strike this cat, or when this magician will put his stick or her stick on whom? The cat. Okay, so this is what the meeting of the cat, and the magician is what? Event. Okay, and what will be the action? And what will be the action? The cat will disappear. Cat should disappear. So,
The cat will disappear.
okay, so we have one block for that. Do you know? We have one block for that. And what is this? We have a vanish.
Penguin.
All of you know what is a vanish? See, when magician touches the cat, who should disappear? Penguin or cat?
Penguin.
No. If the magician is putting his stick or her stick on whom? On cat. So cat should disappear. So who should disappear? Cat. Okay. Or who should vanish? You know that what is the, all of you know what is the meaning of vanish? Riddhi, do you know what is the meaning of vanish? Word vanish?
Yes.
Yeah, vanish means something when something just go away. Okay, something when it disappears. Like all of you can see my pen. Okay, all of you can see my pen.
Yes.
Now what happens? My pen disappears from you.
One.
So my pen was vanished. Okay,
One.
for you, because you are not able to see my pen now. Is it okay? So what should happen when our magician should touch the cat? Cat should disappear. And who should come now? Who should come?
Penguin.
Very good. So now we have a show. And who will come on the show? Penguin will come on the show. Okay. There's some space issue here. So you can see I am just clicking on the show button and I'm just clicking on the womb. Penguin. So see, we have a 3 blocks. The first one was what? An event. What was the event? Our magician is touching cat. Okay, and what was the action? The cat disappears. And the penguin come. See, you can see that disappear, and this penguin is what? Coming. So, just those will raise their hand who don't understand the steps. All of you,
I understand.
okay, all of you. Okay. Everyone, just see on the screen what should happen. Like we have done some coding. Okay. Ayans, Janya, Mayuka, Devi, and others. Just see on okay, is there anyone in Mayuka, Devi, Janya? Okay. See, what should happen when this our magician should touch the cat should disappear. Now let's see whether it's happening or not. So I'm moving towards left, now it should move to upward. I should move to upward. Okay, so I'm moving upward. Ooh, what happened? Anyone have observed that? What happened? Okay, I'm resetting it. No issues.
Penguin.
Okay. Now everyone, Mayuka, Janya, Ayans, and Reddy, all of you. Just focus on the screen. Okay, just focus on the screen part. Okay, and just observe what is happening. Just observe what is happening. See, here we have our whom? Magician. This magician is moving this way. This magician is going upstairs. Now this magician is going to left and it touches the cat. And what happens? Cat disappears. Who comes?
And it becomes penguin.
Okay. So is it like a magic? Is it like a magic? How many of you say that is it like a magic? This happens only in magic now. The person converted into the pigeon or something else. Okay. Mayuka, is this not a magic? Or is it a magic? Is it like a magic? Mayuka?
Yes.
Yeah, it was like, okay. Now you people will do some magic, okay? And I will help you out. And what is the magic? Now we have to do one more thing. What we want our cat back also, because we love our cat so much. Okay, we don't want to get it vanish. Okay, all of you love your pets now. Just those will raise their hand who have pets in their houses. How many of you have a pet in your house? How many of you? No, no way. See, we don't want to lose our cat. Okay, she's so cute. Okay, so we don't want to lose her. What we will do? We want our cat back. So what we will do for that? Getting back our cat, we will do again a magic. Okay, that magic will be what? You know that? We will not disappear the penguin. Who will come now? When the penguin will disappear, who will come? Cat. Very good. So now we have our magician, and when this magician should do magic on whom? Penguin. Then we want our penguin to disappear. Okay, and we want our cat to become want our cat back. So I'm vanishing. So what shall we do? Which block we should use? Vanish. And after that, after vanishing, what should happen? See the cat was vanished and penguin was coming. Okay. So now what should happen? When the penguin was disappearing, who should come? Who should come? Cat?
Yes.
Okay. So I should use this block now. Oh, yes. Now I'm going to run the game. Okay. See, hi everyone. And the cat is saying, yeah. Okay. So I'm moving it a little bit. Now, wow, what happened? You can see the cat disappears and penguins come. Okay. And now when, wow, we get our cat back. How many of you are happy? We get our cat back. You can see. All of you can see. Our cat was disappeared now. Okay, let me show you once more. Let me show you once. See, we have our magician and we have our lovely cat. Okay, but this magician is going to do some magic with the cat. So what is happening? Magician is moving and it what? Magician just disappear our cat now. Who comes? What happened? What happened? The penguin come. Okay. Now how many of, just tell me, how many of you want your cat back? How many of you want cat back? Yeah, please raise your hand. Okay, please raise your hand. All those who want the cat back will raise their hand. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Riddhi wants cat back. Mayuka also wants the cat back. Ayans, do you don't want cat? You want your cat back or not? Ayans?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, Janya is saying yes. Okay, so majority says yes. So let's do once again a magic. Wow. Okay. You can add some sounds also, where we have a block of sound. Okay, we can add this also. But when you do your homework, just try that. Okay, we just do one thing, we stick and place here. But you, okay, any sound, whatever you want, like when a rubber or crunch. Okay. I think you are not able to. Let me make it here for you. Just a minute. Now you will be able to hear me. Now I want some sound. Okay, all of you can hear me. All of you can hear me. Just raise your hand if you can hear me.
Yes.
Okay, am I audible to all of you? Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, so see, I have used here the play sound. Okay, I have a play sound. So I'm playing some sound when what? When the penguin is disappearing. Again, I want same thing with to whom? Whenever cat disappears. So I'm using another sound. Okay, and now you can see the crunch. So let's see. What's happening? Okay, it was not reset it. Now see, you can see, are you able to hear the sound? of this cat, or you can say this magician. See, just what will happen when this magician will touch the cat? Now, cat disappear and some sound will come. Okay, so we will feel good like that. Here we are. Are you able to hear the sound? How many are liking this game, playing game? If you listen that, the crunch sound. Okay, I'm putting back my mic so that we can. Okay, fine. So now, all of you are clear? All of you are clear with the what we have done today?
Yes. Yes.
One by one, I will ask to all of you. Okay. The first turn is with Riddhi. I'm starting with Riddhi. Riddhi, hello. Yeah, Riddhi. Riddhi, just tell me what we have. What happens when the magician touches the cat? What happens when the magician touches the cat? What happened? Riddhi, can you hear me? Riddhi, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, Riddhi, just tell me what happened when the magician touches the cat. What happened?
Penguin.
Okay.
It happened to penguin.
Okay, Janya will tell us. First thing was happening was that the cat disappears. It's vanishing. And who will come at his place or her place or cat place? Penguin. Penguin comes. Okay. Now Ayans will tell. Ayans, just tell me.
Yeah.
I used which arrow in order to move our, that magician.
Why? Why?
No, we use right, left, all the arrows. But in order to move down, we use which arrow? The first one, second one, third one, or fourth one? Let me make it big for you. You can see on my first, second, third, or fourth one. Fourth one?
Yes.
Okay. So all of you enjoyed the magic show or the magic game?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know you can play this game also, or we will be able to make also. I will just provide everything in that homework. Just please, I will just request all of you, please do your homework, and you will be able to make this game out. Okay, you people will be able to make this game. And even that what you can do, you can share it with your friends. How many of you have a friends? How many of you have friends? Just raise your hand. Those who have friends. All of you have friends. Very good. Now
In school I have and one hair.
Okay, so what you can do now, you can see here's the option of share. All of you can share. See, and here's my hand. There's an option of share. I will provide a video, okay, in which you will be able to know that how to share your game. Just click on share, and you will get a link. Just copy this link and just send it to your friends, and they will be also able to play this magic game. Okay. So first of all, you will make this game, okay? So anyone have any confusion or you have any doubt how this magic is happening, how this magician is going upward, downward, right, left, or how the cat is converted to the penguin, or again how we get the cat from the penguin? Anyone have any confusion? Just let me know.
No, I don't have.
Okay, so all of you enjoyed the session? All of you enjoyed the session?
Yes.
Yes. Mayuka, did you enjoy the session?
Yes.
Mayuka, just show your thumb if you enjoyed the session. Okay, ready? Stop jumping in the class from one place to one. In the coming session, maybe we will just let you know how to jump in the coding also. Okay, you love to jump, Riddhi. Okay, do you know you can jump? You can do jumping in the coding also. Okay, but you will do that in the classes over in the regular classes. So okay, everyone, if you have no questions, no queries, so I'm just stopping the session right now here, and we will just send you everything. Okay, Ayans, Janya, Riddhi, and Mayuka, everyone. We will send you all these codes and how to do this, and just do your homework. Just try to make it by yourself once more, okay? And just send me the link of what you have made it, okay? And if the game is good now, you can share it with your friends also, and even that will be good. No issues. That will be good. You will. I know it. I'm just believe that you people are good. So you people can make the game. So today we have learned a magic game, okay? And what we have learned, the main concept we have learned. Who will tell? What was the main concept we have learned? Riddhi, Mayuka, Ayans, Janya. Who will tell? What the main concept we have learned in this class? Riddhi, okay, Riddhi, tell. Action, very good.
We learn four
Very good.
things.
Okay, very good. Riddhi is going to tell us. Everyone
Four
will-
things.
Yeah.
Left, right,
Yeah.
up,
Up,
down.
down. Very good. And what else? What else? We learn something more. Like the car was coming and stopping. What was that?
That
Okay.
was
Okay, wait. Okay, Riddhi, you know that.
even.
Janya will tell us.
Even.
Janya, just tell me what you have learned today. Just tell me what you have learned today. Have you learned something? Janya?
In an action.
Event and action. Okay.